Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare honey beans and plantains. So the ingredients are onions, tomatoes, chilies, plantains, some palm oil, seasoning, sweet corn, and the beans itself as well, and of course some water as well to boil the beans. So the first thing to do here is to boil the beans with a bit of salt for about a half an hour just to get them nice and soft. So this is one of my favorite meals to prepare simply because it's so easy to make, and depending on what you choose to add to it, it can be very well nutritionally balanced. So this is the basic recipe that I'm showing you guys today, but normally when I make this I would add some fried lamb pieces just to up the protein content of this meal. So this meal is normally eaten by itself just as is, but of course depending on what you choose to serve this meal with, the nutritional information can change. So all the nutrition information is detailed out for you guys in the description box below. And so this meal comes just under 300 calories per portion size. So depending on how big or small your portions are, this can change. Normally when I prep this I get 11 portions out of it. So yeah, so the beans is now ready. So the next thing to do now is to just add the plantains to the beans and a bit more water as well, just to help the plantains to boil. So once the plantains are cooked, all we're going to do is add the tomatoes and the onions and the chilies. So you can use any type of tomatoes for this. Normally I use the big plum tomatoes, but I didn't have any on hand today. I had the cherry ones, so that's what I used. So guys, it's literally almost ready at this point. All we need to do is open it up, give it a quick stir, and then add the sweet corn and the palm oil, cover it up again, and allow everything to cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes. The palm oil is just for flavor and some color, so it's important not to go over the top on the amount of palm oil that you add, just because of course palm oil is very high in cholesterol, so we don't want to add too much of this. So here we have it guys, this is what the finished meal looks like. Nice bright orange color, plantains are well done, the beans are mushy to the level that I want them to be at. And so that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching and see you next time.